Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to pay for NFL Sunday Ticket. Now there's usually two ways to do this. Okay, you can either go ahead and sign up for it through YouTube or YouTube TV. So you can get it as an add-on to your YouTube TV base plan or as an individual primetime channel on YouTube. Those are the two ways, and you just go ahead and select which one you want. Select your desired payment plan, and you can choose to pay in installments or even pay the full amount. If you're wondering what the price is, okay, a YouTube TV base plan is $82.99 a month. And on top of this, you will need to pay for the add-on as well, right? So just keep that in mind. And if you want, you can also, add it as a standalone service. Okay, that is also an option as a primetime channel. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. You can pay with your credit card or any other payment method that is accepted by YouTube and Google. Okay, so I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.